Hey guys, today I'm taking you with me on our educational trip in Metro Manila. I'm really excited, but first, I will eat my breakfast. I got my chicken meal from McDonald's right here on the bus. It was still early when we left, and most of us were still a bit sleepy. But our mood started to change as we got closer to our destination. Our first stop was Changemaker 2040, and honestly, it was more than I thought it would be. At first, I thought it was just going to be talks, but it was really interesting. They talk about how change starts with one idea and one action.
Do it!
What I liked the most was one of them said, "You don't need to wait to be older to start something that matters." Sometimes we think we're too young or not ready, but hearing them speak made me feel like if you care enough, you can do something already, even in small ways. It made me think, what can I do? That's the kind of effect the event had on me. The moment I saw the parang bahay kubo, I just stared at it for a while. It reminded me of quiet places, slow days, and simple life. I didn't really expect to feel that during the event, but it stayed in my mind the whole time.
Integrated solar system. With audio-visual presentations provided to display, fortunately ito hahawakan at inututin para kung may website, download ang liveliness and reports for your answers. Inututin ang isang beses download po ito at inututin.
Changemaker 2040 made me think, and it inspired me to start making a difference in my own way.
Magkano ang bayad? Baka kalahati ng 1.5. Dami pa oh.
After lunch, we went to Intramuros. Our stop was Bahay Chinoy. It's a museum, but not boring. Inside, we saw old photos, tools, clothes, and stories about Chinese Filipinos. I didn't know they help a lot in our country's past. The museum features various exhibits including life-size dioramas and galleries that depicts the integration of Chinese culture into Filipino society. Here, I learned how Chinese and Filipino cultures came together, and it made me appreciate the diverse people who helped build our nation. After we visited Bahay Chinoy, we walked to Port Santiago. The place was big and quiet, and the stone walls looked very old. It felt peaceful, but at the same time, you could tell that something serious happened here in the past. Even though the weather was hot, I still like being there because the wind felt nice and the place was quiet. After that, it was time to have fun. We went now to Star City. I didn't take as many pictures there because we were really enjoying the rides. We just wanted to live the moment and have fun with each other. It was the perfect way to end the day, full of joy, screams, and memories.
Tagal naman nila.